done that in the Blender. Like we created this building in Blender. This is software we created the sketch in Blender, and this is another example of that we created in Blender. There are certain work that we created modeling tools. We use the model Blender and SketchUp 3D. These are the good tools. Technical projects, Oculus Unity integration was the most hard nut to crack. This one, importing 3D models, handling SDKs, importing assets. This was the main task in Unity 3D. Like first of all, we focused on the creating models. We created models in Unity 3 in SketchUp and Blender. When we were done with models part, then we move on to Unity 3D part. These are the tasks that we have to do focused on the Unity 3D. Here we face problems in handling SDKs, first of all, and in the Oculus Unity integration. Problem faced was the integration of course with entry, memory overflow, GPU requirements that I told you earlier, frequent crashes, bulky implement downloads. Like the application that is made after with the Unity 3D was it's just of so much large size. It was the like we have to use a fast running program. These are certain tools that this is the Oculus professional forum that we post queries over there that we are facing these problems. They guided us so well. They responded us. This is the finalized project that we have created. This is the model after we blended in the Unity 3D, and after adding the assets like we added sound here, and we were maintaining the camera views, their sectional views, cross-sectional views. We manage all of these views. These are certain other examples that we created. Finally, we made a business plan layout. I think it's not important in this conference part. So this is the overall expenses of a project. Personal resources 5,000, and hardware was the so expensive part, like 82,000. 1 lakh is for the PC, and 82,000 is for the Oculus part, and it is 1,94,000 rupees. It is in PKR, Pakistani rupees, like around $19,000 something. These are the milestones that we achieved. This is our startup, Siam Tech, and we are going to create a free app. We are launching home styling. We are creating a VR portal free for the user to come and experience the scenario. We are going to advertise our project. Finally, we will generate some revenue from this. What are the milestones that we achieved? But these are the things that I put up in a publication here. First of all, we've done our research. Reading certain research papers that I put reference. There was a book on Oculus Unity 3D and was there, and we read all the documentation of software that we are using. And the research part was the most time-consuming part that we have focused on this. First, we did research. In the parallel, we were focused on the availability of a gadget. Like in Pakistan, availability of Oculus Rift was a difficult thing. But we managed it. We imported it from the USA, and finally we are done with research part. Best gadget it with us, and we are done with the software, Blender, SketchUp, Unity, and DK2. These are 4 things. These are actually 4 different domains. As we are engineering students, we are not hand out experience with these softwares, but from the very start we started our project, and we burned the midnight oil, and we worked on this, and finally we have a clear vision what exactly the virtual reality is. We are done with the hand-out practice with the softwares, and we are have the innovative business plan, and we want to excel in the domain of virtual reality. Our demos of various buildings, construction simulator are ready with us. Successful integration of them with the Oculus Rift, business plan, documentation are ready for publication that I have submitted my research paper. So let's have a final demo, as I'm not going to present it in the conference. So if I will be available for them, I will give you some demo. So it's all from me. Thank you.